Hey, scientists. So we've talked about shadows a little bit. Now let's talk about light and shadows, or light and our sight. Have you ever been outside on a really, really bright sunny day and playing and having a lot of fun, and then you go inside and it's hard to see? It's kind of darker, and you have to wait a little bit for your eyes to adjust? We're going to study a little bit about why does that happen? Why do we have that moment where we can't see very well inside after being with a bright, bright light? So grab your scientist notebook and turn to this page. This is page number 36. So you're grabbing your Be a Scientist notebook and turning to page 36. 36. That's going to be at the front of your book, the very front of your book. So turn to that page. It's going to look like this: light and shadows. Okay, so you grabbed your Be a Scientist notebook and you turned to page 36. If you're not there yet, hit pause on the video until you get to this page. Then once you're on this page, hit play again and I'll read it to you. It says light and shadows. Light and shadows. And I'm going to show you a little bit different of a view on my computer that's easier to read. Light and shadows. Which friend has the best idea about light? Finn, that's the boy here. Finn says, I think we need light to see things. Jane, the girl, says, I think we can see some things without light. So the question is, do you think we have to have light to see everything? Or do you think we can see some things without light? So Jane thinks we can see some things, and Finn says we need light. Right below that, it says, explain your thinking. So we've been doing a lot of writing in science, and we've been spelling and sounding out our words. So I want you to tell me who you agree with. So write their name. Write Finn or write Jane. And then tell me what your thought is. Do you think we need light? If you do, you can write Finn, and then you can write, we need light to see. If you agree with Jane and you think we can see some things without light, then you can write, Jane, we can see without light. So tell me what your thought is on page 36 in your Be a Scientist notebook.